off. I know the Indian government is trying its very best to play down the fact that it is just a torch relay and that everything is going as smoothly as possible. This is what they would like to show. This is what they would like to portray, which is why government officers have not been asked to close down at 1 o'clock as it happens on the 26th of January. But this time, although we are trying to downplay the importance of the event vis-a-vis security concerns, at the same time, let me tell you the reason why the government is so jittery is that this is an entirely the show where the security concerns are there is an entirely Indian show. NSG commandos will be there, of course they'll be armed, but Chinese commandos, as was being expected earlier, will not be a part of the inner cordon of the torch security. It will just be two torch bearers from the Chinese side. Otherwise, it will be Delhi police, and it's really the onus is on them to make sure that nothing goes wrong.
All right, hope nothing goes wrong with the Olympic torch flame there. But we also have with us Sini Pasha. She's there at Rajghat, and she was there in the morning where the parallel torch relay began. Sini, what's happening there at Rajghat right now at the moment?
Well, sir, we are moving along with the torch relay. The torch relay has finally reached Jantar Mantar. It's important how the Tibetans have chosen Rajghat as the place from where to start the parallel torch relay. Rajghat is a symbol of peace. It's where the person who got us freedom, that's where his samadhi is. They've chosen the symbolic place very smartly. The Tibetans ran all the way from Rajghat towards Jantar Mantar. Remember, this is a group of people who are very angry. They're very frustrated because they're not being allowed to witness the original Olympic torch relay at Rajpath. Like Neetu said, there are 15,000 security personnel who are present there. There's a lot of anger amongst these people. They think that India is a democracy, and it's really unfortunate that the country is going to such extents to prevent them from actually witnessing the Olympic torch relay.
All right, Simi, Neha, thanks very much. Also thanks to Meethu Jain, pardon me, and of course all the best to you, Digvijay Singh Deo. I'm envious of you. Of course, there's an element of bizarre as well with all that security, but we'll be with the Olympic torch every step of the way, right from